G'day guys, Greg here. Now today for lunch I thought I'd make myself a smash burger. Now I've never actually made one of these before, but I've watched someone make it before inside one of those smash burger shops, so it can't be that hard, right? Anyway, the one that I'm going to make today is sort of based on the Broken Hearts Burger Club one. It had a distinct flavour of bacon in it. Well, from what I can remember. So I'm going to try and do a copycat version. It's not exactly the same, but I reckon it's going to be pretty close. Anyway, let me show you what I'm using. So for this, what I'm using is some bacon, you little ripper. I've got some beef mince here, a couple of slices of cheese. Look at these bread rolls, yum diddly scrumptious. I've got some dill pickles or gherkins here and some mayonnaise. I've also got some butter, which I'll butter the bread roll with when I toast it. Now this burger did have a distinct taste of bacon in it, so I figured maybe they either used bacon fat or just like really finely diced bacon. And I figured, you know what, how about I just finely dice some bacon, see if that works. Surely it's got to work, right? Just really chop it up nice and finely, hence the term finely diced bacon. Probably too much bacon, but is that even such a thing? Too much bacon? Possibly. Now, you get your meat here. Now, the best thing about these smash burgers is if you've got like hardly any meat, you can really make the burger go far. So, per piece of meat, all you need is like a tiny bit like that, really, and they smash it out so thin. So I'll get rid of some of that. Let me just blend it in with the bacon here. Boy, I hope this smashes well. Be pretty embarrassing if it doesn't. Not that I care. But now I'll mix that together and really just squeeze those out. Yeah, that's about the size balls they had. I wasn't looking that hard, but I mean, you could sort of see it there. They were poking out a little. So, give it a good squeeze together. Mix all that bacon and the fat from the meat in there. Alright. Okay. Now for some slight cross-contamination. I'll grab my bread rolls, use the same cutting board. Come on, fellas. It's the meat and bacon. You can eat it raw, so I figure, wow. And I'm going to toast the bun anyway. Ooh, there's a bit of a space in that roll there, which is good because, well, I'll probably fit with some more mayonnaise in there. But I'll just give it a bit of butter. Oh, then tell you what, it's good for holding butter, that little divot in there. But, yeah, a bit more butter on that bit. Just for toasting, so it adds a bit more flavour. And I'll also grab my pickle. I'll cut it acrossways, just so it takes up more surface area of the burger. Alright, to the barbecue. Now, as you can see, I have been letting this barbecue heat up to extreme heat. So I'm not going to touch it, but it is very hot and you'll need a nice flat grill here to do this on. So I'll just spray a little bit of cooking oil on there. And you'll also need something to push the meat out. So I've got something nice and flat here. I'll stick that meat on and basically you just want to push the absolute crockiness out of it and make it really flat, especially on the edges. Don't push it too much though, because it'll probably start breaking like mine did. I'll try this again. It's better if you've got a whole flat piece too. It's a bit hard when it's got little pokey holes in the middle. But just try and squish it out as flat as you can get it. Now I might throw my bread at the back here. Oops! Just let it sit there and do its thing. Alright, well this bread hasn't been cooking long and, well, it's really cooking fast, so I better take that off. And now I'll attempt to flip this over. Oh yeah, it's nice and crispy looking. Now we want to crisp up that other side. But in the meantime, I'll rack some cheese on. And this one here that was falling apart a bit, the cheese will help hold it all together while it melts. Now, I just want to start getting some of this burger ready while that cheese is melting. And the burger I had a good serving of mayo on the bottom there, with the pickles spread over the top. All right. Look how crispy that's getting. Put that there. And the other one on top. Put the other piece of bread on top. And there we go. My first attempt at a smash burger. How do you reckon I went? Looks alright, doesn't it? Well, it's not all about how it looks. It's about how it tastes as well, isn't it? So let's tuck on in for the old taste test. Alright, well, let's see how I went. Okay. Bacon and meat. Come at me. Oh, wow. Oh man, that bacon really crisps up when you smash it flat on a hot plate. Oh wow. And then it mixes in with all the other fats and all the other flavors on this. Oh dude, this is awesome. So what do you reckon? Did I do a good job? I reckon I did an alright job. I'd give myself a 7 out of 10 for effort. And out of flavour out of 10, mate. This has got to be a 15. -5. 10 out of 10 still. That's pretty good. Anyway, there you go. Smash burger. Made the old Grego's way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, remember to shine some thumb and love. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook a burger. See you then. Oh yeah, this is great.